Lisa Febrianti Putri from English Literature. In this video, I will explain about sound pairs and difficult contrasts in English pronunciation. Let's start with the first sound pairs. Example, pack your bag. The first sound pair is p and b. These sounds are bilabial plosive consonant, which mean they are produced using both lips. Bilabial means both lips come together, and plosive means the sound is produced by stopping the air and then releasing it. When producing these sounds, the lips pull close first, then open quickly release the air. The sound p is usually spelled the letter P, while the sound b is spelled with the letter B. This letter after represent the same sound in many English words, so recognizing them help pronunciation. How to make the sound p, but lips are closed and the air is released strong without using the voice. This sound does not cause vibration in the throat. It is a voiceless sound. The air comes out strongly so it feels like a small burst. To make the sound p, the lips are closed in the same way. But this sound uses vocal cord vibration. So this is a voice sound p, p, p. The air is softer but the throat vibrates, demonstrating the difference to show the difference between p and p. Please put your hand on your throat when you say p, peck. You will not feel vibration, but you say p, peck. You can feel vibration in the throat. You can also use a small paper in front of your mouth when saying p, p. The paper moves because of strong air. When saying p, 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 the paper moves less. This vibration and air pressure make the sound different. Examples of p are pig, pen, people. Example of b are bags, book, baby. Strong with air, while b sound after but voice. In the sentence, pack your bag, pack contains the p sound, and bag contains the b sound. This sentence is a good example because both sounds appear clearly. Example, November the 1st. The next sound pairs is F and V. These sounds are called labiodental fricative consonant. Labiodental means the sound uses the lips and teeth, and fricative means the sound is made by pushing air through a small gap. For these sounds, the top teeth gently touch the lower lip. The sound F is usually spelled for P, while V is spelled with the letter V. For the example, pound use P but sound like F. How to make the sound F? The upper teeth touch the lower lip and air is blown out without voice vibration. It is voiceless F, F. Only air is heard to make the sound V. The mouth position is the same, but the vocal cord vibrates, so it is voiced V, V, V. The lips and teeth stay in the same place, but the throat vibrates, demonstrating the difference. To demonstrate the difference between F and V, please look at my mouth position. When I say F, first, first, there's only air. When I say V, very, very, there is vibration. So even though the mouth looks the same, the voice makes the difference. Example of F include first, fine, fish. Example of V include November, very, visit, visit. The V sound is common in many daily words in English. Sentence explanation in the phrase November the 1st. November's contain the V sound and first contains the F sound. This help learners hear the contrast clearly. Example fresh fish usually. The lesson pair is S and Z. S and Z. These sounds are post-alveolar fricative consonant and are often difficult for learners. Post-alveolar means the tongue is placed slightly behind the alveolar ridge, near the roof of the mouth. The lips are slightly round and pushed forward. The sound S can be spelled S, T, or C. For example, C, nation, special. The sound Z is often spelled S or C. For example, usually vision. How to make the sound S? The tongue is raised near the roof of the mouth and air is pushed out without vibration. It is voiceless and sound like S, S. The lips are slightly rounded to make the sound Z. The mouth position is similar, but the vocal cords vibrate, making the sound softer and voice. It sounds like Z, Z. The position is the same, but the throat vibrates, demonstrating the difference. To show the difference between S and Z, S and Z. Please listen carefully. When I say S, fresh, S, fresh, there is only air. When I say Z, usually, Z, usually, there is vibration. So the difference again is voicing. S, fresh, Z, usually. Example of S are fresh, fish, sea. Example of Z are usually television, vision. These sound appear often in English conversation. In the phrase fresh, fish, usually. Fresh and fish contain the S sound, while usually contain the Z sound. This phrase shows the contrast in one sentence. That is the explanation of sound pairs and difficult contrast in English pronunciation. I hope this explanation helped you understand how English sounds are produced. Thank you for watching.